Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm sharing how I make the pattern for a pull-on pair of trousers with a self-casing. I was inspired by a pair of trousers from Uniqlo, these ones on the image. So I'll try and make these. From what I can see in the photo, it has two side pockets, an elastic, straps, and in the back I'll try and make a couple of welt pockets. But this I'll see when I'm actually sewing the trousers. First, take the basic trousers pattern and trace the front and back. Copy the darts, knee, hip and crotch line and the grain line. The darts I'm going to cross out. The knee and the bottom I'm going to take in ½ centimeter in the front and back. The trousers look wide, but if I leave it as the base pattern, it's going to be a little too wide for my taste. I'm marking in pink the new lines of the trousers. The crotch I'm making it 1 centimeter lower on the front and back, since I'd like them a little bit loose. And then I'm redrawing the crotch. To make the waist with elastic, I'm just tracing a straight line upwards from the hip. The waist ends up being almost the same width as in the hip, so it is wide enough to insert an elastic. Then I'm drawing a straight line at the hip, since I won't need the curved shape of the waist. This basic pattern reaches the height of the waist. If you'd like the trousers to sit on the waist, you can extend the line upwards 7 centimeters, 4 centimeters for the casing and 3 centimeters for the elastic. However, I'd like them to sit a little below, so from the waistline I'm tracing a line 7 centimeters downwards. Do this for the front and back. I'll make two side pockets. For this I trace a line that's 8 centimeters, just a little above the line of the elastic, so that when you sew the casing, the pocket seam is hidden inside. The length of the pocket can be just above the crotch line. Here I'm drawing the pocket freehand. Place the notches on the hem, knee and hip. Cut front and back by 2 and the pocket by 4. On the pocket, leave 2 or 3 centimeters from the top and 14 centimeters for the opening and draw the notches. I left 1½ centimeter seam allowance on the sides, the rest has 1 centimeter seam allowance, and for the hem I left 2 centimeters. The pocket has 1 centimeter seam allowance only on the top, the rest has 1½ centimeters to make the pocket sturdier. This very simple pattern is finished. On the next video I'll be sharing the sewing process. Hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.